Two sis and loss.
That be introduction on Canada.
Me introduction.
Yeah, BBR for one.
Hi, this is your guy RIGIID. Listening to my new song Two Sis and Loss on Audiomack. Two sis and loss. I've been through a lot. Seen many things with my eye and no talk. As I did pray, fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. As I did pray, fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. Now back to your music.
So wala anko bia ni fie door to door na anko cheche my day. One send your man bet melody near one day. What's the connection with you and Last Made?
Last Made is he's mentioning me. I am me element.
Oh Godfather.
My Godfather. Feedback na minya niye. Disturb you know, but anyom near day.
Yeah.
Streams, you know, we are heading towards to 1 million views on Audiomack.
Audiomack alone.
Sure.
That's impressive.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. That's, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
I say Abusiafo from DJ Paco Rich. I had to be a Paco Rich Studios. Now here we bring you exclusives. Now, yeah, what brother be will fear how you most wanted. I say well socials, you know, everybody they look for him. And you'll be a tight saying you will Audiomack. His name no be new name to you. What friend RIGIID. Now myself, then I don't know say be my very own. But today where I say Mama Zima. Into I need to support him with full chest. What may you say them introduction, and I'm sure they will give you a fair idea of the person I'm about to talk to. Yeah.
Hi fam, this your boy RIGIID. Keep streaming my song Two Sis and Loss on Audiomack. Two Sis and Loss, I've been through a lot.
Now back to your music.
Okay, now back to the conversation with Studio Hour from DJ Paco Rich. I say what for then?
From RIGIID.
I say, why did they stable call for them?
Disturb you. Promotion, a form of promotion.
Promotion,
Ghana promotion or a disturbance.
I say, but share a lady be the video on TikTok that the way every day lady they draw those so bad as the way.
I swear, I verse to cry.
But anyway, on the other side, and I'm for feed there and you're Ghanaian.
Oh, me a Ghanaian you.
All right.
If you west side second D.
And I check the fancy brother in your cry day. But we introduction and may assure that what's in your mana, what's a local language be one. But I'm out for Adrian and Koduye. One tell someone can say pedecan. I would like you to do this for the audience. A win introduction, the way and your mana a tone, not tone the same thing. So
okay. Two Sis and Loss.
That be introduction on Canada.
Me introduction.
Yeah, BBR for one.
Hi, this is your guy RIGIID. Listening to my new song Two Sis and Loss on Audiomack. Two Sis and Loss, I've been through a lot. Seen many things with my eye and no talk. As I did pray, fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. As I did pray, fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. Now back to your music.
Inti break west and down here in
So,
awesome then.
2-6 and Loss. I have been through a lot. Seen many things with my eyes. But I no talk.
But man kasa.
2-6 and Loss again.
My boss.
I've been through a lot. Seen many things with my eye, but I no talk. As I dey pray, fasting baby. Yesu maminji payday.
Yesu maminji sikakakra.
Sure.
And I said that you mean are relatable.
Second verse. Oh.
Then I'm out for a kede say a worshiping and you mean beshema. I say worshiping, but this is a prayer song.
Sure.
Of course, I am highly spiritual, but a man for associates what kind of vibes in it to Last Made. The way I there to one your man. Sawala and Kobia and if you door to door and coach my day. One send your man a bet melody one a day. What's the connection with you and Last Made?
Last Made is he's mentioning me. I am me element.
Oh, Godfather.
My godfather.
I see. So last made me no Godfather. Inti etse no nyomana ene hu baby ofi. Brother, I say ho.
Myself.
I say ho. But I mean, so far releasing nyomana, what's the feedback and all about?
Okay, so feedback na me nyane e disturb you know, but enyom ne yede.
Yeah. A disturb one, but
enyom ne
so far streams and achievements now are hitting be in your mazana baza.
Okay, so streams, you know, we are heading towards to 1 million views on Audiomack.
Audiomack alone.
Sure.
That's impressive.
Ada so young friend the Nina streams you do almost 2.something million views on all the digital platforms.
Wow.
Sure.
In terms of the Audiomack, it's about 700, another 800 na.
Okay.
About platforms you also na you perform well. Okay,
so Boomplay and Spotify. And the Oracle Fine or pa. Then I think YouTube so then I think see at TikTok, your TikTok music, and also I think the numbers are growing there.
But for how long have you been in the music industry? Because we're facing you're very new.
Okay, so professionally 3 years.
3 years in.
But I'm professionally there. I don't know when that man to be 10 years.
I see. We made it when I'm professional in Chennai.
So I started music 2015. Way back in SHS. St. Mary's.
St. Mary's what are they?
Way back SHS and I'm starting music. So
St. Mary's what girls schools in school?
Portes,
yeah. I said that the B wo umu.
Street boy from Sekendi.
Street boy with that B touch bia.
I know the B. Face no sound the B but blabbing a street vibe. Sure.
That robot to libio.
No me chede. You're not too much like sometimes a move on and I pause just to learn. Better than I've done binti. We want to learn something. Just to add up to the music and I'm obitewa and sound one way.
Yeah,
so obio name like from 2015 up to now, there is a growth.
Yeah.
From that time now up till now.
Yeah, but I mean, all jokes aside, I say one cause I stardom born like in being a worker in a star, like you can actually connect it to you. And what I say for camera to name you now, why should we say star?
Yes, a star. You play a star, like your picture.
A star,
amen.
You receive
it. Amen. You receive it.
A star, cry.
Sure.
One can say when you ever artist in SN
ranking.
Why I say so let you bizarre. But I think do you have any plans in future that in your track or that when you budget?
Sure. Many budget be so anyway Pata ranking way they like I feel like having him on a song.
Charlie. Vibe in a great. But so far no still I attack crowd in a and your they move about cry.
Me move about cry.
About cry.
Sure.
Eji to me there takrad ne o wa hit no be chere kakro there ba kran sana.
But your them side in the and they also no bia
na ne.
Be all a biscuit or to me tene baby no turn no biloto. Nti or your product and how you want to sell your product. I no depend baby a pedeo.
Oh true. But I mean, there are a lot of people watching, even mainstream artists. A lot of people be another boy any promotion. I'm not actually expecting you to reveal all your trade secrets because that might be your strength. Sure. But by idea and over would see me there run promotion this way more on my stand out to a system.
So big thanks for that question. Like doing music alone, you have to have strategies like I debate promotional plan. So my for like over 8 years.
Yeah.
School I learned about digital marketing and stuff. Minim de Ghana platform I would tell you more the power.
I won't you one pedal would you bet one pedal would tell
you. Yeah, it's Boomplay and Audiomack. For anime reviews are like my on ye like today officially.
Yeah.
But for anime reviews are my if you a target baby one never walk from that side, and you can get links to other platforms like TikTok, then other social media platforms. So me feel that I chose Audiomack for my main promotion. Although me a promotion or all digital platforms in the bar, the main one focus was on Audiomack. Sure.
But I know that these things, it comes with a lot of money. I mean, what discussed now was a 1 here. So averagely, men care about the real figure in edition, but estimatedly, because I'm out for running ad with YouTube and pan what's your move. Actually, be invested by him with the feedback and the results in a year. Averagely, I hear invest.
So, me team na management team, I'm in 1 year, you must see.
Okay.
I say for the amount I'm not exposed to the amount, you know, but big shouts to Obio any records they are putting me on like all the force palm. Sure.
Because Charlie promo need say Obi Bakade and work home. Hey, when peda mo artists be, but artists be approach me like what about what's all your yardstick there? See, I'm peda mo your promotion there 2 season loss in it be. And I think you've done well for yourself on that, and I think only they give up on that level repeatedly. You don't change your winning style or your winning team. Keep winning that way.
Sure.
Okay. So far, no. Is this the only song you have out there? Another for now, you continue to promote.
For me, new record label we started Ejumane. This is my first song, and we have a couple of songs. You be released this year. I think I'll give 2 songs. I'll release 2 songs before the year ends. Yeah.
Well, I think one thing I saw there maybe solve for you know. Obi have on the you may blue, but when you mean image and call. So what work are you doing on that? Because the music videos and Shada and you and our artwork and crash I call it all a cartoonic style binti.
Sure.
How do people make you out when they actually see you?
We are here just to project the face into Obi at 2 season loss but onim the Amana boy.
Yeah.
So it been a while days here. So we've started with the image like projection.
Yeah.
It's minimum that platform way like projecting me through this platform. No, we be home names is here. So if I'm in town, or be home is be on the we're not about 2 season loss, and so from that side we are promoting ourselves from them side and to another level.
I'm putting me tone a message and I'm adding because immediately I didn't but banana be like what banana.
Sure.
And I think it's one of the best things you did. But what 2 songs never ban away honestly one quoting another is been on to todo. But at
surprise my fans,
but
new fans. Sure.
Mainstream and mainstream.
Sure.
I say now yes so. West side of there.
Okay, we're Ghanaians. Sure, auntie.
So location is the man
Kumasi.
Yo. Kumasi don't able to my predict too, but I'll
predicting
one cheddar and your brother. But brother, you are doing well. We're actually behind you, and my fellow content creators, bloggers, that this is a talent that we really need to push out there. And when the talent be away when they on fat. The new video ya Mary won't transfer to it be a time over bloom pona me access to him. My friend out back will talk to my manager, but on it or a normal yejitum. As I say, bet market in some few years to come. RIGIID, it will be some national name when it comes to music because it's a yomana and yomani they go well. And he's not like what is on the market, no uniqueness and no. When it comes to style, when it comes to imaging, you get them. The only thing I'm yet to know in a stage performance, good.
Very good.
Very, very, very.
Stay team when you me performing. I see music to be an art. So more stage there. Art and I'm putting in work, you know. I put in the same energy more than my experts, you know, just to project as someone an American way, you know. So I think me stage performance to myself, it's top notch.
So where would you place your song? Or your Afrobeat another, or your R&B another, or your style?
or a hip hop drill.
Or a hip hop drill.
Sure.
My New Boys was it? May trap down level.
Yeah, sure. But me a musician. I'm not centered on any genre. Sure.
So we can look out in the near future. But to my drop a high life.
Sure.
To my drop reggae.
BBR.
Sound BBR. Me personally, I feel your voice on some reggae vibe, BB.
Okay.
This song you have on it, if Nyame ya wa adom na ho to wa ye reggae rendition ma he no so a ja rasta for you.
Mate.
Yemfa ye nyoma. Yemfa fa adwene Saturday anopa.
Mate.
But I think you're doing so well. So Zonta, when you're going to go and listen to your song, you do some, sing along with it so that people get to know that you are the real originator of this song.
Sure.
So Director Gray, if you are there, let's listen to Two Sis and Loss from RIGIID. But you know something I would really like, Echo Chopra.
Pocho, me instrumentalist.
And today we are showing
I swear, 247.
But today I do be unique.
Pocho.
And with the most of the people that are complaining that they feel like what a worship song guy. And that they would say worship who by China Two Sis and Loss are be free. It's a pede be that way. I hear a worship rendition of who you be.
That's it.
It's a worship about what they say. If you be from under one dad was a worship.
That's nice.
It's a call.
Two Sis and Loss.
Hey.
I've been to a love. Seen many things with my
I don't feel
Two Sis and Loss. I've been to a love. Seen many things with my no talk. As I did pray. Fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. As I did pray. Fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. Me I know for sure. I dey best and street boy in corner no.
Yes, sir, Bokwe.
Make a no fall.
Take it.
No temptation.
Make a
no do my will. Father holy you. As I dey pray. Fasting baby. Yesu maminji pede. Amen.
Hey, I say too much. I say. So guys, go on all the streaming platform. Let's support a brother. Let's get him up there. His name is RIGIID. And the song is Two Sis and Loss. What's the motivation to the title Two Sis and Loss?
So it's my personal life. Mama from Nina combination of mama from Nianam song. Big shouts to my producer. I think every young art you have to befriend your producer. So PP Black, God bless you for this tune. He's the main motive behind Two Sis and Loss. I went through some things. Me producer, so he knew what I was going through. So he sent the beats one night and was like, "You're RIGIID." For them beat here, baby, me feel there, he will take you something. Like, take you to the next level in your music career. And this is Two Sis and Loss now.
Now, it is big. It's a global hit, whether you like it or not.
Sure.
Telling you it's a global hit. Charlie, me, if I hear the Two Sis and Loss, I relate it to Ludu. But Gen Z, funny be a Ludu now, the Bena. Go and look for Ludu. I believe
so
Two Sis and Loss is
Two Sis and Loss,
Ebo
Ludu, you will win. Like 6 year, like the highest
you can
show
win.
or dice.
Yeah.
So 6, I think 2-6 in my 2-6, I'm winning, then something will come inside. Or that bolos. So my life, I think I was winning somewhere. I was doing some things that was fetching me something, and I think along the way I lost a brother, which I think was the loss. So my music life and style be so. My producer saw that. I'm for motive now, but the young Two Sis and Loss though. But all the beats in the bay, he said is an emotional beat. Motum Madaye PBI will go international. This is what he told me.
Yeah, man.
And this is Two Sis and Loss now.
And of course, when you were singing, you were in that emotional mood.
Sure.
Today, Lumba, Mekramo, and Yoman.
Sure.
That be that feeling way then you day inside. So, bro, this song will take you to places, and It is starting. It has started and it will definitely manifest.
Sure.
I wish you all the best in your career.
Thank
I
you,
pray
sir.
that good things might come your way. And now here so your fancy side and your legends back to back stars like you. But edu Europe one archive. Edu US one archive. Grammy no so bad archive.
Yeah, one with the.
Atasa. Eba nkra wajo payola ni bia.
You were inside. Oh, you Jumani Atasi.
Sorry guys, we are out of here. For social media handles to one I'm follow.
I'm RIGIID official everywhere. RIGIID official. RIGIID official everywhere. Social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Thread, X, everywhere. RIGIID official.
All right. Well, Amy Takrade may represent East Tanochrome Windy Ridge. But the minimum I representing.
Asamin Sudu second D.
Hey, Drea Wusu. And I was a in you may want. Name China 1 years and was a mountain. Charlie, where you from? Say if you be some spiritual place, eh?
Ambule.
If you don't know why I'm telling you, a lot of stars. And you're there rolling so but not some mensuda.
Martinada.
Yeah. Well, done that be your friend job. BB.
Job 3 something.
Yeah.
Job 600.
Job 600.
Sure.
Into as a mensudu ye, baby a lot of stars with you haba. Into enye wo cry. Im Kwawansa. TV Africa.
Tabi. Martinada.
Nura. One of the top creative people in Ghana. He came from that side. Into as a mensudu if he pass at Charlie brother.
Asamin Sudu.
I say when if he pass on it blowing in it say watch you one more time.
It will blow.
Ever hits.
Inshallah.
This year we out of here.
Thanks.
Charlie.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.